Welcome everybody, I'm here to unbox the MillenniuM Trilogy DVD box set. As you can see, it states clearly the complete DVD collection. For those unfamiliar, this series was created by the same guy who did the X-Files. Here you see the back of the case. Season 1 has 6 discs, Season 2 and 3 also. It's a total of 18 discs with all the episodes from the series, including some bonus features. I bought this set in the Netherlands, so it of course came with Dutch subtitles. New for me was that I didn't know that the second and third season were widescreen, so now it's time to let's show you the side. Here you can see again it's 18 DVDs. Now that you've seen the outside of the box, it's time to remove the seal. Takes a little bit of time. It's not that easy with just one hand. So bear with me here. Got it almost done. Just the final piece of the plastic. And here it is. Again. Now let's see what's inside. Once opened up, you will immediately see there are 3 separate packages for every season. There is one. There's cover art on the front and back. Let's bring out season number 1. Oh, that's a little bit troublesome. I've got it. Here it is. The first season of MillenniuM. The back cover. Let's open it up. A booklet. Probably contains all the chapter information and such. First disc with 4 episodes. And the rest of the 6 discs total. Alright, that was season 1. Let's go to the next one. I like this one on the front, nice cover art. Maybe it is because I like dogs. Okay. Disc 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, I know already there are 6 discs. Again, complete with all the episodes from season 2 in this case. And the last of the bunch is season 3. Ooh, a little spoiler there on the back. But hey, we all know it, so why not? Again, the booklet. And of course, the DVDs. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it, the final disc of season 3. Let's take a look if they fit together nicely, and of course they do. You can clearly see they come from the same collection. Nice artwork they made for it. So putting everything back, I start with season 1 because yeah, that was a pain in the butt to bring it out. The third one to put back in. That was a lot easier than the first one. Yeah, there you have it, people. The complete DVD collection of MillenniuM, featuring all 3 seasons with all the episodes in a nice box set. So hope you enjoyed watching, and maybe till next time. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. What's up?